Dear student, today we see circumcircle. Okay. So for construct a circumcircle, you want to draw a triangle of given measure. After then, draw perpendicular bisector of any two sides of a given triangle. In circle, we bisect any two angle, but in circumcircle, we want to bisect any two sides of triangle. After the name point of intersections of perpendicular bisector. Okay. So what is circumcircle? Circle passing through all the vertices of triangle is called circumcircle of the triangle. Okay. And the center of circle is called circumcircle of triangle. Okay. Center of circle is called circumcenter of triangle. Circumcenter. Okay. So for that, now we start examples. Practice set 6.3 star example. Extra example. Solve example 1. Page number 84. What is the problem? Construct triangle DEF such that DE equal to 4.2 cm, angle D equal to 60 degree, angle E equal to 70 degree, and draw circumcircle of it. So for that we want to construct first rough figure. Okay. Rough figure. What is the basic base? DE equal to 4.2 cm. This is the base. So we take base DE, label it as DE 4.2. How much D? Angle 60 degree. How much E? Angle 70 degree. So this is D. Then this is obviously F. DE F. The vertices is F. Okay. So according to this figure, rough figure, we want to draw a fair figure. Okay. So we take first base 4.2 cm. Draw a line of 4.2 cm perfectly. Okay. So this is the line of 4.2 cm. Just give label D E. Okay. How much? 4.2 cm. Now measure angle D as a 60 degree. Angle D as a 60 degree. Keep point on point and line on line. Okay. So from where we start? Here is line. Suppose this here is line. So start from given line 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and join this 2 point. Okay, now measure line point E. Point E. Okay, so here right now line is here. So we measure from this side, left side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Join this. Okay. Now we want to draw a circle of given triangle. For that we want to bisect any two sides. Any two sides. DEF. This is the F. Okay. This how much? 60 degree. How much? Measure angle E. Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degree. 70. Okay. So joining these 2 points. How much this? 70 degree. Now you want to bisect any two sides of given triangle. This is the point F. Any two sides of given triangle. Okay. So I bisect side D and side FE. You can be bisect any two sides. You can be bisect DF also. okay, but any two sides. Now how we can be bisect? Just take a divider of approximate side length and take R on both sides. Bisect any two sides. Okay, so I bisect side DE. Okay, take arc from point D above and below, and same arc from point A above and below. Don't change the size of the divider. Okay, same to same size, and give point on point of intersection and just draw a line. Now we bisect side DE. Which side bisect? Side DE. We bisect side DE. Now we want to bisect side FE. FE. Okay. So again, take divider of approximate size and draw a arc from point F on above and below of the point F on both sides from point F. Okay. Now draw arc from point E. Point E. Okay. Now joining, just give dot and joining these two point of intersections. Now see, you get point of intersection, just give label it as a C. Okay, now this is the center of the circle. Center of circle. Now take this center and consider as E as a radius, or consider as D as a radius, or consider as F as a radius. Any one point. Okay, this is center, C is a center, and any one point of this triangle take as a radius and draw a circle. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. Okay, see here. So now you can be find that these 3 points of the triangle just touch to the circle. Okay, just touch. So this is the perfect figure. If you draw a circle like this, see here is gap, here is in between the triangle, here is gap. This triangle is out of this circle. This is the wrong. Anyone, this is wrong. This is wrong. So you want to draw a perfect figure. Okay,